Welcome all, and today I am shooting this video with concern towards the students. Really, CMA Institute has delayed a lot in declaring the timetable for June 2021 exams. Of course, understood that pandemic was there, that's why taking a decision was not that easy for anybody. But now students are comparing our CMA Institute with other professional bodies because others have already released the date, admit cards, soon exams are continuing. So when others can conduct the exams, how come our institute cannot? Others are conducting offline exams and our institute online exams, right? So what is the difficulty? So surely I want that the institute should come up with a decision very fast. It's already too late. 80,000, around 80,000 students are there who are waiting for the institute's proper clarification, date, timing, so that they can plan their course of action accordingly. But because the institute is not taking decision, the decisions of 80,000 students are affected. They are not able to plan properly. So hope the institute understands this and takes a quick immediate decision. Moreover, I have to request the institute regarding December 21 examinations too. Hey, June exam dates have to be declared on a war footing is a must. But there are many students who lost their loved ones, their near and dears, and many people suffered due to COVID in the second wave. And because of that, the preparation, the planning, the studies, they were not able to do. They are busy with some other commitments. They are planning for December 2021 exams. Now, if there is a huge whole lot of uncertainty relating to June examinations, then people are not able to understand what will happen with December. Right? So I urge the institute to give a clear roadmap of 6 to 8 months that what actually is going to happen when the institute is going to conduct the exams, what are the exam dates, notifications, revaluation related dates, some certainty of the path for the next 6 to 8 months. If the institute is able to give, then definitely students will have a clear course of action, proper decisions they can take. Because of the uncertainty from the institute side, lot of anxiety, stress, depression, panic, indecision among the student, they are not able to plan the things. So I urge the institute to come up with a strong positive decision because it's too late and want an urgent action from the institute. Getting lot of calls from the student, lot of mails from the students that sir, what is going to happen? Can't tell. So want institute to give full clarity. And moreover, hey students, I will share with you in the description, I have given a link. In that I have written a letter to the institute, proper mail to the institute, which you can see here, and even a physical letter I have posted to Kolkata office and Delhi office too, that you can download from the given link in the description and share with as many people as possible. Whomever you are in touch with, maybe the faculty, maybe the council members, maybe the committee members, share as much as possible. Let us maybe fight together. Let us request the institute, our mother body, so that they come up with proper clarifications, so that our roadmap for preparation, practice, and for planning other commitments too becomes clear. So share with all, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe, stay healthy.